Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. 1 star. Which one is gonna make the word pan? Pan. Oh, that says b. This one says p. The pan.
Pen.
Pan.
Pen,
Ready?
pen, 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 pen.
And
And.
pan.
Pen.
All right. Next one. Which one's gonna make the word nap?
Nap.
You think this one's gonna make the word nap?
Yes.
That one says k. This one says so nap.
Nap.
Ready? See it? All right, which letter is gonna make the word nap? Good. Good job. You got 2 stars. What's our next one? I bet you can get this word. Oh, I bet you can get this word. Which one is going to make the word map? Map. Which one?
Map.
No, that's not enough. It's these 3. Woohoo! Put it up there. Ready? Say map.
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 Good job. 3rd star. Okay. Now we gotta do.
About me.
Hey, which one is gonna make the word? I got a good one. Which one's gonna make the word zap?
Red.
Zap. Zap. Which one's gonna make the word zap? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
That's 2. This is 1. You think it's this one or this one? Zap! Good job. Say zap. Zap.
Zap.
Good job. All right, are you ready for your last one? Last one?
Yes. Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh no! You think we're gonna be able to do it?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. I gotta get our answer choices ready. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Oh, are you ready? Which one is gonna make the word hen?
Hen.
Hen. Which one? 1. Look at your answer choices. 1,
1,
2, 3.
3.
Which one makes the word hen?
Hen.
Hen! Good job. This one?
Yes.
Good job. Put it up there. Ready? Say. H says in.
N.
Hen.
N.
Good job. You're all done. Kiss your brain. Give yourself a round of applause. Yay! All done.